Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is alternate number 1 in the Memorable Meadows March 2024 paper pumpkin kit. So I have got a Highland Heather side fold landscape card. So I've taken my 8.5 by 11 and cut it down to 4 1/4 and folded it at 5.5. And I'm just going to crease that edge. I took one of the cards and I cut it down. I cut it down to 5 1/4 by 4, and I'm going to keep these little pieces. I have a use for them later. And I've got one of the Gorgeous Grape vellums. I've got one of the banners, and I'm using the You're on My Mind in the Gorgeous Grape. So let's go ahead and stamp. This is a super quick card, super easy. So we're just going to take our Gorgeous Grape, make sure we've got good ink coverage on that. And we're just going to stamp it down. You've been on my mind. There we go. Just like that. And then we're just going to build the card, and it's going to be super straightforward. I'm going to, there they are. I'm going to just flat mount this one down. So it's 5 1/4 by 4 on a standard card base size. There we go. Then I'm just going to take and I'm going to just run some adhesive down the middle of this one, put it right in the middle of the card, just like that. Now I'm going to put dimensionals on this one. As soon as I find my dimensionals, there we go. So we're going to pop one there. I'm going to put one in the middle and one on the end. I wanted to cover up as little of this beautiful background as possible. So I haven't put any of the other embellishments on, but I mean, you could put one of these on and then put the greeting over top. But like I say, I think this is just so gorgeous and I didn't want to cover it up. So my only decision now is, do I center this or do I off center it? And I think I'm going to center it like that. There we go. And then I'm going to take some of my sequins and I'm going to just pop one there like that. I kind of wanted it to be centered, so maybe like that. And then one at the other end as well, just like that. And then we can pop a couple into the flowers. Just add some of that bling around the card. So there we go. That is our first alternate. Super simple, but it really showcases the beauty of the cards themselves. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned throughout the week for more alternate projects.